Come test drive the 2020 Transit Wagon. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles, inside you'll find backup camera, Bluetooth, smart device integration, trip computer, 8 speakers, low tire pressure warning. The Ford Transit Wagon offers a wide variety of flexibility, regardless of whether you're trying to haul a large number of passengers or you simply need the space for work purposes. This vehicle is the meaning of versatility. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you accelerate into